Hi everyone. So new sets of housemates were unveiled today. Big Brother, I know be so now we have Big Brother Trenches and Big Brother Island. Because what is the meaning of this? We have some people showing on the HD channel and some people I said it. What kind of house was that we were seeing yesterday? So they carry a whole 42nd Miss Nigeria put for trenches. Now carry I just got back people and put them on the HD channel. This checks is very cute though. What do you guys make of this? My goodness. Well, I actually kind of feel bad for the housemates that came in yesterday because the difference is clear. So the people that came in today are in the main house. Like it's very clear and it's very obvious that this is the main Big Brother house streaming on the HD channel. Whereas the ones who came in yesterday are in a supposedly new house. And who would want to pick between watching high definition and low quality television? The answer is clear, HD all the way. So I'm gonna pass my judgment and jump into my conclusion right now. The housemates streaming on the HD channel obviously and definitely stand a higher chance of getting the prize than those who were brought in yesterday streaming on the other channel. It's too obvious. This is an unfair advantage they have. Like if you're gonna have a fair game, have a fair game. This is partial right from the start. Unless maybe I don't know. Well, Big Brother is full of twists and turns, so we're just gonna have to keep watching. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments below. See you later.